Okay, so for this one, it's slightly more difficult, but what I'm going to do, so this is question 5, part C. I'm just going to stick with t. I'm going to say t is equal to y plus 4 over y. So that means everything in the bracket, so I'm going to rewrite my sum. It's t squared minus 9t plus 20 equals 0. Use your minus b formula, and you get that t is equal to 4. And you get that t is equal to 5 if you use your minus b formula. But I know that t was this over here. So I'm going to swap. So instead of t, I'm going to say 4 is equal to y plus 4 over y, or 5 is equal to y plus 4 over y, because they were the two answers we got. So all I've done is in this original one, I've just swapped t for a 4 and t for a 5. So I'm going to multiply across by y, and that gives me, that gives me 4y equals y squared. If I multiply this by y, they cancel, so plus 4. Bring everything to the left, you get y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Same over here. Multiply across by y, you get 5y equals y squared plus 4. So you get 0 is equal to y squared minus 5y plus 4. And if you use the minus b formula on both of those, so there's a lot of minus b formula here, you get that y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, so same answer. And then over here, you get y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. So you had to use the minus b formula several times in this question.